Now that the contents of the food poison detection kit are accessible and the latex gloves are on, it is time to begin preparing the food sample for testing. When selecting the part of the food to test, identify any unusual color, texture, or smell. If you notice an unusual area, use that part for the test. If nothing looks unusual, simply mix the food well in its container before taking the sample for testing. It is important to classify foods before testing. This was discussed in Chapter 5, but to review, solids that would be cut up before eating, which do not absorb water, are designated Class A. Solids that soak up water are designated Class B. Liquids are designated Class C. If the food is from Class A or Class B, it must be cut or shredded into small pieces about a 1/4 inch in size before testing. Make sure that the cutting surface provided in the kit is very clean. Once the food or drink sample is ready to be used, it will be added to the mixing bowl. Use all parts of the food sample, including liquids, pastes, and solids if present, to fill the mixing bowl to the green food and drink sample fill line. After filling the mixing bowl with the prepared food, add clean water to the bowl according to the label on the bowl. For Class A foods, add water to the red Class A fill line. For Class B foods, add water to the blue Class B fill line. If the sample is a liquid from Class C, no water is required. Please note that water should be added to the mixing bowl after adding the food sample to the green fill line. Once the appropriate amount of food and water has been added to the mixing bowl, seal the lid and shake the contents for at least 2, preferably 4, minutes. Make sure to avoid shaking the container too hard, as this may cause leaking. A gentle swirling motion will sufficiently mix the contents. This demonstration was for the preparation of ground beef, a Class A food.